and welcome back to the ElhamExpert channel. Today we want to learn about the best AI video generator for 2025 InVideo AI version 3. In InVideo, with just one click, you can easily and quickly create various types of videos. This platform is designed to provide users with every kind of video content, including educational, promotional, product introduction videos, and even shorts or social media content. You can choose from a variety of ready-made templates or start from scratch to create a completely unique video. InVideo's unique features include the ability to add text, music, animation, special effects, and images to your video, all with just a few simple clicks. Other important features include the ability to quickly change scenes, a precise timeline, and access to a vast library of video and audio resources. In fact, with InVideo, you can create high-quality videos in just a few minutes, perfect for social media, online advertising, or even educational purposes.
I am Lyra, warrior of the Frost Clan. For years I've trained, fought, and bled for my people. The elders have spoken. To become queen, I must journey across the great tundra and return with the heart of the frost bear. As I prepare...
Wow. These are the dishes that keep me coming back. It's insane how much history...
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to show you these incredible plasticine dessert creations. Let's add some layers, shall we? Look at those thin, perfectly even sheets of yellow and white clay. Can you believe how...
InVideo version 2 is available, but version 3 introduces AI-generated content. So, we select version 3. What we need to do is click on Workflow right here. You'll see all the possibilities open up and realize there's so much to do. You've got AI shorts, generative, cinematic, YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and explainer videos. Basically, the list goes on and on. We want to show you how to create a Disney-Pixar-style video. To do this, click on Search Flows, type Disney, and you'll find the Disney-Pixar-style video. Click on the flow to start creating your video. So first of all, choose the duration. As you can see, you can choose up to 20 minutes. It's truly amazing because none of the video generators can produce videos up to 20 minutes long. After choosing the duration, you need to type your topic. To do this, we asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for a video based on a story that will be made in Disney style. Here's the prompt that appears. We simply copy it right there. Next, we paste it. Additionally, you can add other elements such as background music, language, subtitles, and the list goes on. Click on language and make sure it's set to English. As you can see, there are a lot of languages. Click on voice actor icon, select American for the accent, choose either female or male as you prefer, and choose the narrator. One very important step is to click on the stock generative icon and select generated instead of stock. Next, click on continue. This means you are ready to generate the video. And here you can reduce the video duration to 1 minute. Here, what the AI does is analyze our prompt, and you can select or change the audience, media pace, and platform. You need to click on continue right here, and your story is complete. Thanks for watching. See you next time.